The gateway to the province of Pangasinan, the fifth capital of the Philippines, the home of the famous Buro and Gipang, the origin of the cultural dance Binasuan, the place where the best things happen. This is Bayambang, a booming municipality in south-central Pangasinan. Bayambang is home to thousands of hectares of fertile land that produce high-quality onion, corn, rice, and other local products which Bayambangueños consume or export to other provinces. Aside from these agricultural resources, Bayambang is also rich in culture and tradition, bounded by the people's faith to our patron, Saint Vincent Ferrer. The 400-year-old parish of the patron saint of builders stands at the heart of the town as the symbol of the devotion and undying love of Bayambangueños for Señor San Vicente. This faith was further fortified in 2019 when the 50.23-meter-high statue of the saint was built and declared by Guinness as the world record holder for the tallest bamboo sculpture supported, giving Bayambang its second world record next to the world's longest barbecue in 2014. Thousands of devotees flocked to the official opening of the St. Vincent Ferrer Prayer Park during the Christ the King celebration, led by none other than the Papal Nuncio to the Philippines, Archbishop Gabriel Giordano Cascia, who himself blessed the chapel in the park. Right in front of the St. Vincent Ferrer Parish Church is the Municipal Plaza, which bore witness to the town's biggest events such as the Paskuhan sa Bayambang, the first ever Balon Bayambang Blacklight Run, and the annual Pistay Ballet, where the people celebrate the founding of the town every 5th of April. Also at the heart of the town is the Balon Bayambang Event Center, where the first ever full production of the local rendition of the Disney classic Beauty and the Beast was staged during the 407th Town Fiesta of Bayambang. The Municipal Tourism and Cultural Affairs Office is focused on improving the town and proving that beaches or mountains are not a prerequisite for a booming tourism industry. Instead, we have decided to look back on our roots in order to move steadily forward. This is the reason why Bayambang tourism is making headway with the rich culture and history for a progressive future. So come, you are always welcome here in Bayambang, a place of deep faith, rich history, and a promising future. Welcome to Bayambang, the place where the best things happen.